Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to clear a chat on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on the chat you wish to clear. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on More. Tap on Clear Chat. If you wish, you may retain starred messages and chat media files by unchecking these two checkboxes. Tap on Clear again to confirm Deletion. As you can see, all the chat messages are now cleared. This is how you can clear a chat on WhatsApp on an Android device.